Hi, chemistry students. I just wanted to say hi to you guys. My plans changed from today. I needed to take the day off today on Friday. So I just wanted to share with you what you need to be doing today. We're going to delay the test till Monday. I don't really mean to have a part 2 of the test on Monday, but that's what's going to have to happen. But instead, I'd like you to get into Schoology and to go ahead and answer this pre-test of our next unit with the atom. We're going to look at the atomic structure with protons, neutrons, electrons, and other things about the atom, how the electrons are arranged and everything. So I'd like you to get into Schoology, go ahead and get a Chromebook and go into Schoology and answer these questions. This is just a preliminary 10-question set of questions. It's like a quiz, but it's a pre-test, and we like to get your score of how well you did before you actually go over the material in my class. And then we're going to look at these questions again later on in the unit test for the atom, which will be obviously in the middle of November, towards even before Thanksgiving. So I just wanted to tell you to go ahead and answer these questions. You can even use a periodic table. I'd like you guys to get your periodic table out, which looks a lot like this one. I know this is all colorful one that I got from showing on the internet, but you guys have yours. Yours looks like this, but I know yours is the other direction. This is a sideways view. I couldn't flip it. It's one of my copies in my Google Drive. So get your periodic table out, the one that you have. I think it's orange, I believe, as the ones I printed, or yellow. I think it was yellow maybe. But get this out, and you could use that when you go into Schoology and answer these questions from the pretest. If you have any idea what any of the questions are about, you can use your periodic table to help you answer them, okay? Then the other things you're doing today is one of our first things that we do with the learning the elements. So I'm giving you an element list, and these are the atomic numbers, and that's the whole number that you see beside each symbol. And there's about 56 of these of the 118 that we usually use throughout the year. And the first 38, hydrogen, going down the list as you go across on the periodic table. As you go across the periodic table, I would like you guys to fill in the names for hydrogen and go all the way over to row 4 to zinc, even all the way over to row 5 to strontium, which is number 38. And then there's a whole other set of maybe about 20 more that are not every single one after 38. And I'd like you to fill in their names. So if you see AG on number 47, fill in silver. If you see CD beside number 48, fill in cadmium. So I'd like you to fill that in and study your list of elements, and do that today. And then you keep this list, and then go ahead and do these puzzles of so you can learn their names of many of the common elements. So go ahead and fill them in down here on each symbol, and then also fill them in the puzzle itself as well. And then I have a couple more pages. I have the scrambler of about 15 elements, and they're from element numbers 1 through 30. That's from hydrogen through zinc. And I'd like you to rearrange them and tell me what element they are. It'd be even great to put their symbol beside them as well. And there is a element bank at the bottom. Now, five of these are not going to be used, but you can use this element bank to kind of figure out what they are. Like if you look at 13, there's only 4 letters. I bet you guys can figure out that it's zinc. Number 13 is zinc. And some of the other ones are kind of easy, but please use the spelling of your elements to kind of figure out which one's which of these 15 on this page. And then the next page is really easy, just filling in names from symbols, like Fe is iron, CO is cobalt. Fill in the names, and then there's some multiple choice questions. This is actually made from Quizlet. And so I've already made a Quizlet of the first 30 elements. And this easily makes a little worksheet to practice and trying to identify what is scandium symbol and beryllium symbol. You basically just match them up with this matching kind of handout. So just work through these today, okay? And then as we're getting ready in the next 2 weeks, we're going to have quizzes over these 56 elements. So I have a Quizlet on the first 30. Just click on that and you'll go right to the link, and you can do flashcards, and you can orally hear it spelled. You can try to learn them. You can even do some games and matching here. So just go ahead and use that. This is the first 30. And then back in Schoology, I have even the next 26. That's the ones after zinc. So try these both out and start learning the elements. Eventually, I'd say the second week in November, we're going to have our first quiz. I like you to do the first 30 elements, possibly maybe the first 20, and then we'll do the other, you know, because there's 56 altogether, okay? So today, if you could do the pre-test and then work on these puzzles, and then fill in the list of elements that, so you can start studying them. And then we'll have the test on Monday, okay? So I'm going to head out here. I'm going to head out, and I'll see you guys. Hope things are going well. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope good Halloween. And we'll see you on Monday, but be ready for the test on Monday, the 17 multiple choice questions. We'll see you later.